Hello TelQ partners. Welcome to a brief presentation of Sender ID and Test ID text tags. You will be able to use both of these tags in the text box in live number testing section to help you with your day-to-day testing. So let's start from the sender tag. If you want to test multiple sender IDs with the same text, you can incorporate each respective sender ID in your content by typing @sender. This entry will act as a placeholder for any sender IDs that you type in, select from templates, or import in Excel. Let's run this batch and head to our results section to see what was delivered. This option will enable you to easily test multiple sender IDs with minimum time spent on matching them to your text. You can save this content in your templates to make it even easier. Similarly, you will also be able to use the test ID text tag to duplicate the ID value. Simply type in braces test_ID_text, and the ID value will be repeated wherever you indicate it in the text. Let us test and see how it is sent. This tag will help you make your testing content identical to the OTP messages, where the OTP code appears in the text twice. Examples of this are Viber or WhatsApp. To make it easier for you to have text like this one available at all times, we recommend you save it in your templates. We hope you find this short presentation helpful, and for any questions, we are happy to hear from you. TelQ, we got you covered.